when our city produces winners. We love when the Cavs won, right? We love when the Indians made it to the World Series, right? What about Steven Merchant, our USC fighter who pushed on? We putting over him too, right? Right, we make noise in Cleveland, we go loud, we go strong. So anyone who's coming and pitting out for our city, we're making some noise. So make some noise for Steven, y'all! Thank you very much, we represent strong.
Cleveland je za hrvatske pojmove grad po mjeri. Nema velikih gužvi, 400.000 stanovnika, lijep, prostran. Amerikanci gradove dijele na 3 boje ovratnika, bijelu administrativnu, ružičastu uslužnu i plavu, boju s koju se veže i grad Stipe Miočića, koji je rođen u predgrađu Clevelanda i Uslidu. Why they call Cleveland the blue-collared city?
Because it's just middle class people that work hard. You know, they just hard-working people. There's, you know, they're not, you know, just regular middle class people. They just work hard. That's what it is. Just blue collar. They always work hard at what they do. Whatever it is, they just work hard.
Stoga nije ni čudno što su se tu Hrvati itekako dobro snašli. Procjenjuje se da ih u saveznoj državi Ohio ima oko 50.000.
It's huge, especially on the east side. You know, we have the Croatian home, you know, the picnic area too. It's pretty awesome. And you know, when I fought here in Cleveland, it was great to see all the Croatians come out with the jerseys and everything. It was amazing.
Jedan od njih je i Jeffrey Tadić, taksist koji je ponosan na Stipu i smatra ga svojevrsnim talismanom Clevelanda.
I'm a big fan of UFC and very proud that Stipe's from the same hometown as I am. He's a pretty big star. He's actually what got Cleveland started. He won the UFC belt before the Cavaliers won the NBA Finals and the Indians went to the World Series. And he's a big fan of Cleveland and all the teams, so people know about Stipe. He kind of got the ball rolling for our town.
Dvorana u kojoj Stipe trenira nalazi se u Independenceu, 20 km izvan grada.
I mean, everywhere you go, everybody knows him. So I would say he's a big time star, especially in Cleveland.
Pa smo otišli i u centar Clevelanda. Divovski beneri su tu, a i domaća publika koja luduje za momčadskim sportovima zna za najjačeg svjetskog vatrogasca.
Yeah, I actually went to the fight that they had up here last year. I know he's fighting in May down in Houston, maybe. So definitely be rooting for him.
I've heard of him, yes. I don't really watch UFC, but I know who he is.
Luka je iz Novog Sada, asistent na sveučilištu u Clevelandu, intelektualac među žicama i jedan od Stipinih sparing partnera.
Mislim, velika je čast. Stipe, pored toga što je prvak sveta i savršen čovjek, mislim, šta god treba, savjet, pomoć, oko ishrane, oko treninga, on je uvijek tu, tako da nevjerovatno prizeman čovjek, uvijek je tu da pomogne i iako je šampion sveta, potpuno je na zemlji, potpuno na mjestu čovjek.
Oh, he's a nice guy. Probably nicest guy. You never think he's being so big, and he's probably the kindest guy I've ever met in my life.
Onako kako Luka gleda Stipu, tako Stipe gleda Crow Cupa. Već je nekoliko puta bio kod Mirka na treninzima i za njega ne postoji ni jedan drugi uzor.
I'm friends with everyone. I love everyone, but you know, Crow Cup's my dude. I just love that guy. Love watching him fight. Love everything about him. He's a good person, and you know, it doesn't get better than that.
Crow Cup never liked to train in the camps. Do you always train here at Strong Style Gym? Do you always train with the same sparring partners?
No, I always train here. You know, Crow Cup, he's got an awesome place at his house. So why would he leave? He didn't have to. You know, I don't have a gym at my house. You know, I come here, and plus my coaches are amazing, teammates, everything, and. Yeah, I bring guys in every camp, you know, what I need for the fight. You know, if it's a striker, if it's a grappler, if it's both, you know, I always bring in someone that's going to help me for the camp.
How many UFC fighters are here in Strong Style?
Just 2, me and Jessica I.
Hitting 133 for the year, and he drives one to left center field.
Bejzbol, sport koji u Hrvatskoj nema pravu težinu, Stipina je prva ljubav. Mi smo mu priznali da je nama dosadan i zanimalo nas je zašto je osvojio njega i milijune diljem svijeta.
I think it's just you know, national pastime. I mean, people watch it for so long, but it's a game of inches. You know, you never know what's going to happen. You know, there's a team that's supposed to win, but you just don't know if the guy's on or off. You know, and that's only why I love baseball so much, because you never know what's going to happen. Just like fighting.
Nekoliko kilometara od dvorane nalazi se drugo omiljeno Stipino odredište, vatrogasna postaja Valley View. U njoj na tjedan odradi 12 do 24 radna sata. Šef Bobby i društvo su u sjajnoj formi. Dok ne dođe dojava o požaru, uvijek se trenira, a kada dođe dan borbe, Bobby ima tešku zadaću odrediti tko će taj dan biti slobodan.
A lot of guys will do a road trip and watch him fight. This last fight here in Cleveland when he defended, I was working with a lot of the guys. So we did pay-per-view here at the station. The police were coming in and out and we were watching all the different fights and texting, letting guys know when it is. And there was 10, 12 of us here cheering them on right here at work, so it was fun.
Stipine kolege su kreativni dečki. Da se ne bi opustio prije borbe, iz svlačionice ga vreba lutka Juniora dos Santosa. Teškaški prvak UFC-a je najčešće na tapeti kada se zezaju s nekim.
We were at your fire station. Guys are great there. So my question is, do you always hold the toys of your opponents in the locker room before the fight?
Oh no! They put that there. They think they're funny. Yeah.
Just for JDS.
Yeah, no, they did it a long time ago. It was funny. They bought that, thought it'd be cute, little joke they put on me, and then they put it on my lockers. Green bills, green leaves at the green season. Catch me only up a shark scene. Whipping with the hot sauce like I'm street leaguing.
Cleveland je poznati po Hall of Fame-u rock'n'rolla i Stipe ga često posjećuje. Krokap se proslavi u Duran, Stipin odabir je malo drugačiji.
His song for entrance is
Machine Gun Kelly.
Yeah. That's like something between hip hop and rock and roll.
Oh yeah, Machine Gun Kelly is actually, he's played a couple concerts here for us.
It's a local band or?
Oh, he's from Cleveland, he's from the area, and he supports the city just as much as Stipe does.
Najveća potpora mu je supruga Ryan. U braku su nešto manje od godinu dana.
Every Croat would ask you, how is it in marriage?
I love marriage. Love it. I wouldn't change it for the world. I got a great woman. She takes care of me, and wouldn't change it for the world.
You're happy as El Bundy, or?
Oh, way more happy than El Bundy. Yeah, she's awesome. She takes care of me.
Junior Cigano dos Santos!
How much better fighter are you now than 2.5 years ago when you lost the fight against Dos Santos?
Completely different fighter. I'm different every aspect. My conditioning, my confidence, my striking, my grappling, it's everything. I'm better. Everything way better. 100% better.
What's your opinion about him?
Oh, he's a super nice guy. He's a great guy. Great fighter. You know, unfortunately, we got to fight each other. Unfortunately, I'm going to win.
Za kraj smo ostavili prognoze sugrađana i naših sugovornika.
Stipe's got this. It's his fight.
First round knockout.
Oh, I would hope so. But I want to see a good fight, though, too, you know. I don't want it to be over in a couple seconds. I want to see a good fight, but Stipe, he's the favorite to win.
Oh, I think he knocks him out. First round, again.
Miocic, nokaut prva runda, naravno. Svi smo u Stipeta.
I cijela Hrvatska. Nadamo se ovakvom završetku Stipine borbe života.
Heavyweight champion!